The 13th Annual Conference of the Indian Federation of Neuro-Rehabilitation, IFNRCON 2025, was held in CMC Ludhiana from 27th to 29th March 2025. This was a hybrid event with 5 parallel halls, and the streaming and virtual platform was managed by Chogule Mediconsult. In fact, we managed the website, registration, abstract submission as well as IFNR Young Investigator Award applications too. Seen here is the landing page of website. This is where the delegates registered for virtual event entered the conference. Delegates were sent the link by email and once on the landing page had to click Join Live Stream. Thereafter, the login page appears. The login process is simple. Just enter your IFNRCON registration number and your registered email ID or mobile number. After logging, we can see the 5 conference halls. Hall A, B, C, D, and E. Also, like in any conference, there is an e-poster launch as well as trade arena. By clicking on any of the hall, we can enter that conference room. Once in, we can see the live streaming of sessions going on along with the name and timing of the session as well as topic and speaker. Each hall has a number of options for the delegate. Delegates can ask questions by selecting the topic from the list of topics for the session. Name of the speaker appears directly. Questions asked by the delegate are visible on a separate section, which is displayed in the hall. Thus, questions asked by virtual delegates reach the speaker in the in-person session and they can read the questions and reply. Delegates can also check the scientific program of that hall with details of device sessions, topics, speakers, and timings. The side menu gives options to navigate between other halls, e-poster launch, trade arena, help desk, and feedback. The most important thing is we can enter in any hall anytime and exit too. E-poster launch is the section where delegates can view all submitted e-posters, their titles, presenting authors, and the PowerPoint MP4 video files. As shown here, delegates can download their certificates from the virtual booth of a trade partner. Certificates include participation certificates for delegates and faculty, workshop certificates, e-poster presentation certificates, etc. To assist the delegates and answer their queries, there is a help desk too. If you face any issue or have any query, you can call, WhatsApp, or mail to the concerned team members. All in all, our virtual conference platform offers a seamless experience to the delegates who can join the event through their laptop, tablet devices, or smartphones from wherever they are: hospitals, clinics, or home. IFNRCON 2025 was one more successful hybrid event hosted by CMPL on its virtual conference platform.